These are the 7 most important things that we're taking with us in our truck toolbox for full-time family travel.
You need 8.
You only get one shot at life, so gotta live it. We're Chris and Morgan, a British-American couple on a mission to show our kids, Jonah and Jude, that the best things in life happen outside of our comfort zones. We're renovating our 5th wheel Bilbo to become our home on wheels as we hit the road full-time on a quest to explore 50 states in 50 weeks.
Where are we now?
Hi Explorers! Greetings from my parents' driveway, but hopefully for not much longer. This week we got and installed a truck toolbox, and we're going to show you all 7 things that we put in it, all the essentials to make full-time RVing even easier.
Number 1, it might seem obvious, but tools. You need tools in your truck toolbox because you're going to break down, possibly. You're going to have things happen to you like your slide up might need fixing, or something in the RV needs fixing, or your air conditioner needs fixing. You need those tools to help you.
The next one is fluids.
Thank you, Jeremy, because he helped me compile this list of things that we'll need in our toolbox when it comes to fluids. So we've got our antifreeze coolant that we're going to take with us, heavy duty diesel, engine oil. We have our brake fluid, a couple of quarts of transmission fluid, white lithium grease. Never even heard of white lithium grease until Jeremy told me about this. So this is going to be for things like preventing rust and for helping things like our jacks if they get stiff. Give it a blast. This white lithium grease is going to help with that. I don't know a household in America that doesn't have WD-40. I think everybody has a can of WD-40. I'm almost convinced. I remember having WD-40 in England, I'm pretty sure. So this is probably in every household, and it's also in our toolbox. And then we've also got our windshield washer fluid, 2-in-1 all season. And something else I didn't even know I needed was some wheel bearing grease. You can never have enough of these ratchet straps. You're going to need to tie things down when you're traveling. You might need ratchet straps for a few reasons when you're on the road. For example, one of your tanks might fall down and you might need to hold it up. Your slide out might break down and you might need to haul it in. Or you might just have some kids that like to tie you up in circles. This item might seem weird because we have a 5th wheel, but we actually need a tow bar in our toolbox. The reason for the tow is our new portable tank. It's 36 gallons and it's going to be really heavy to move if it's full, and so this allows us to pull the new tank safely to the dump station.
We need a ladder for Bilbo because ours doesn't come with one, and it was not easy to find, surprisingly. Do you think that will go all the way up on top of the RV? That ladder? No. Whoa. It's like Mary Poppins. Do you trust it? Is it sturdy?
It's gonna have a little bend to it, probably.
Oh my gosh, does that make you nervous?
We already changed out our windshield wipers and all their lights on the truck. However, it's always good to carry some spare ones with you in your toolbox. Fix my light yet? You still working on it, sir?
I'm trying to help.
Aww.
I'm trying to help.
You're a big helper, thank you. And then back, yeah, there you go.
Oh, look at those muscles.
Final thing that we packed in our toolbox is a 12-volt air compressor. A 12-volt mini air compressor is an essential item when you're full-time traveling in your RV, because if you are boondocking and you have low air in your tires and you're able to get to a gas station, this little baby can save you. Just plug it into the truck, plug it into your tire, and pump it up.
Thank you for watching.
We appreciate you following our journey so much, and we have some exciting news for you next week, so we will see you next Sunday.
Shall we?
Cheers.